Children, today I am taking English. If you have got textbook, open that one. Open your English textbook, page number 1. Okay, children. In that, my sister and me. Lesson name is My Sister and Me. And in that, they are given the lesson name is Raksha Bandhan. Children, do you know about anything about Raksha Bandhan? So Raksha Bandhan means that is we will say Rakhi. So why we will tie Rakhi? So we will tie Rakhi because it is a festival. Okay, children. Where do we celebrate this festival? We celebrate this festival in North India. Okay, children. So sisters will tie Rakhi for their brothers. Okay, children. Now I will read the lesson. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival observed in North India. It celebrates warm feelings of love and affection between brothers and sisters. In the epic Mahabharata, this kind of affection is seen between Krishna and Draupadi. When Krishna wrist bled from a wound, Draupadi tore a strip of a silk saree and tied it round his wrist. He was so touched by her act that he vowed to protect her as he took her to be his sister from that moment. The festival is celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Shravana. So, this Raksha Bandhan is observed in North India. It is a festival that is celebrated in North India. So, why it is celebrated means it is affection between brothers and sisters. ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ನಡುವೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಹಾಭಾರತ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ರೌಪದಿ ದೇ ವರ್ affection. So when in the Krishna's hand, that is wrist, that means in Kannada manikattu. So some wound happened and the blood was coming down. So this Draupadi saw that blood and she was wearing silk saree. In that silk saree she tore some cloth and tied round his wrist. So that Krishna was so touched by her feelings and he took a vow that he will protect her and he will think that she is my sister from that moment. So the festival is celebrated on full moon day. Which month? In the month of Shravana. In the month of Shravana they will celebrate this festival. Okay, children. So which festival they will celebrate in the month of Shravana? Raksha Bandhana they will celebrate. Okay, children. Now take next page. Now let us read. Two girls meet on the street while going to the market. Let us know what they talk. Hi. Suma, where are you going? Suma, I am going to the market to buy Rakis. Vani, what is a Rakhi? Suma, it is a symbol of love and affection. It strengthens the bond between brothers, sisters and cousins. A Rakhi is made up of thread and it is colorful. Look, I have brought some with me. So, two girls are going on the street to the market. So, they are talking and going. So, Vani will ask for Suma, where are you going? So, Vani is asking for Suma that where are you going? So, Suma will say that I am going to market to buy some Rakhi. So, Vani will ask what is meant by Rakhi. So, Rakhi andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ವಾಣಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. Suma, it is a symbol of love and affection. Rakhi means it is a symbol of love and affection means ಪ್ರೀತಿ. ರಾಖಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಅಣ್ಣ ತಂಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ ದೊಡ್ಡಮ್ಮ ಆ ಥರ ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ, ಅದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಬೆಳೆಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ that Rakhi is made up of thread and it will be colorful. See, I have brought some Rakis with me. She will say, ನೋಡು ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರಾಖಿ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ. So she will say like that. Vani, what do you do with that? Suma, I tie it on to the right wrist of my brother and friends like Raju, Deepu, Arun and others. So Vani will ask, what do you do with that Rakhi? So Suma will say, I will tie this one Rakhi to the right wrist of my brother and friends like Raju, Deepu, Arun and others. ಆವಾಗ ವಾಣಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂತ. ಆವಾಗ ಸುಮ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ, ನಾನು ಎಡಕೈ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಣ್ಣಕಟ್ಟು, ಎಡಕೈ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ವ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ವ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಣ್ಣಿಕಟ್ಟು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ತೀನಿ. ನನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ತೀನಿ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಜು, ದೀಪು, ಅರುಣ್, ಇವು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ವಾಣಿ, ವೈ ಡೂ ಯು ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? ಸುಮಾ, ಟೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಖಿ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ರಕ್ಷಾ ಬಂಧನ್. It is believed that a person who is presented with a Rakhi promises to protect the sister. Affection between brothers and sisters is thus established. So, Vani will ask, why are you doing like that for Suma? So, Suma will say, tying of Rakhi is known as Raksha Bandhan. So, if we tie Rakhi for others, it is called Raksha Bandhan. So, people believe that who is presented Rakhi, for whom they will give, so that brothers, friends and all, they will protect their sisters and all. So affection between brothers and sisters. So ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ. Vani, please tell me more about it and I will also celebrate this festival. So Vani will ask for Suma that if you know anything about that festival, so please tell me, I will also celebrate. ಇನ್ನೂ ಏನಾದರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ಹೇಳು, ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ವಾಣಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಯಾರನ್ನ? ಸುಮಾನ. Suma, Raksha Bandhan festival is celebrated every year in the month of Shravana. So Suma will say that this festival is celebrated every year in the month of Shravana. ಶ್ರಾವಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Sisters carry sweets and Rakhi in a plate with Aarti in it. They tie Rakhi round the wrist of the brother and give sweets. The brother give gifts of money to the sisters in return. So the sisters will be there, no, they will carry sweets and Rakhi in a plate. They will take one plate. In that plate they will keep sweets and Rakhi and Aarti also they will keep in it and they will carry it. Afterwards they will tie that Rakhi to the wrist of the brother and they will give the sweets to the brother. So afterwards, after the tying of Rakhi, what the brothers will do? The brothers will give gifts or money to the sisters. So ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿದಿರು ಒಂದು ತಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವೀಟು ಮತ್ತು ರಾಖಿನಿಟ್ಟು ಆರತಿನೂ ಅದು ತಟ್ಟೆನಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ರಾಖಿನ ಕೈಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ, ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರ ಕೈ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಬಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ತಂಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಕ್ಕ ತಂಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ವಾಣಿ, ಫೈನ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬೈ Rakis and tie them on my brother's waist. So again Vani will ask, so fine, thank you Suma, and I will also buy Rakis and tie for my brother waist. Okay children, any doubt children? So this Raksha Bandhan is affection of between brothers and sisters. Okay children, it is This festival is celebrated in North India and it is celebrated on the full moon day on the month of Shravana. So this when Krishna and Draupadi were there, this on the Krishna's hand some blood will be coming. So Draupadi what she will do? She will tear some cloth from a sari, silk sari, and she will tie on Krishna's wrist. So that is called Raksha Bandhan. Okay, children. So this Raksha Bandhan, it is made up of thread and it will be colorful to see. Okay, children. So they will tie on the right hand of the wrist for brothers and friends also. In return, what the brother will give for sister, they will give gifts or money. So while tying Rakhi, so the sisters will carry sweets and Rakhi in the plate, and in that plate Aarti also will be there. So they will carry this plate and they will go to their brother's house and they will tie Rakhi in the hand. In return, the brothers will give gifts or money to the sisters. Okay, children. Here in next page they given new words, means meaning. So affection. Affection means love. Second one, tie. To hold two or more things together using strings. Tie means to hold two or more things together. Third one, celebrate. To show that a day is important by doing something special. Next one, fourth, carry. To take things from one place to another. So it is called carry. Fifth one, protect. Keep secure or give safety. So give safety means protect. Sixth one, Aarti. A plate with lamps, lights on it. So Aarti means a plate with lamps or lights on it. First main, complete a sentence using words from brackets. They are given in the brackets some words. Protect, celebrate, affection, carrying. And they are given some fill in the blanks. In the use with the brackets, you want to write the answer. First one, Seema and Vani or dash Rockies on a plate. So which in the bracket they given answer. Now which answer you will write? So you want to write carrying. Seema and Vani are carrying Rockies on plate. Second one, they want to dash Raksha Bandhan festival with their cousins. So answer is celebrate. They want to celebrate Raksha Bandhan festival with their cousins. Third one, the brother promised to dash their sisters. So what is answer? Answer is protect. The brothers promised to protect their sisters. So fourth one, dash binds the siblings together. So affection binds the siblings together. So I'll say the spellings. First one spelling is carrying. C-A-R-R-Y-I-N-G, carrying. Second answer is celebrate. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E, celebrate. Third spelling is the brother promised to dash their sister. Protect. Spelling of protect is P-R-O-T-E-C-T, protect. Next, fourth one, dash binds the siblings together. Affection. The spelling of affection is A-F-F-E-C-T-I-O-N, affection. Okay, children, these are the fill in the blanks. You write. So next, second, answer these questions orally. What did Draupadi do to Krishna's wound? So what will Draupadi do to Krishna's wound? She will tear from a silk saree one piece of cloth, okay, and she will tie to Krishna's wound. In which part of India is Raksha Bandhan celebrated? So which part, children? In North India, Raksha Bandhan is celebrated. When is the next one? When is the festival celebrated? So, festival is celebrated in the full moon day in the month of Shravana. Okay, children. Now all of you have understood, I think. Here having some question answer in class work. Thank you, children.